In this tutorial, I am going to explain a Vernier scale problem. The given data for this problem is as shown here. To calculate the RF value, drawing area and actual area are given. When the areas are given, to calculate the RF value, take the square root to get the lengths. So here, after taking the square root for both numerator and denominator, so this is the drawing length, this is the actual length. After simplifying this, RF value is obtained as 4 by 10 to the power of 5. The next step is extract the maximum length given in the problem. Maximum length is 5 kilometers. Then calculate the length of the scale. Length of the scale is product of RF into maximum length, that is 200 mm. In the next step, identify the units that are to be displayed on the scale. Here kilometers, hectometers and decameters are to be displayed on the scale. After drawing the scale, the distance of 3.56 kilometers has to be shown on the scale. So this is the given problem. For start drawing the problem, the first step is take the length of the scale calculated, that is 200 mm. Taking this value as length, draw a line. This line has to be divided into some number of equal parts. To get that number, observe these two parameters. That is the bigger unit among the given units. Here kilometers, hectometers and decameters are given. The bigger one is kilometer and maximum length is 5 kilometer. If you divide this 200 mm long line into 5 equal parts and each part is 1 kilometer, then you can display a maximum length of 5 kilometers. Hence, you have to divide that line into 5 equal parts. This is the 200 mm long line. Then take 10 mm height and complete the rectangle as shown here. Now this is divided into 5 equal parts. These are kilometers. On this side, hectometers can be shown by dividing this 1 kilometer into 10 equal parts. These are hectometers. Take 2 mm offset line. Divide all these divisions into 10 equal parts to get hectometers among all these kilometers scale, like this. Now observe here 9 to 10. In between this 9 and 10 values, this length is representing 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer means 10 decameters. So whatever length you are having for 1 hectometer here, that length you measure with the compass and add that length here, such that on the Vernier scale we can represent 11 hectometers. So here 10 hectometers are shown. On the Vernier, 11 hectometers has to be represented. So this length is representing 11 hectometers. This 0 to this extreme end. Now complete this rectangle as shown here. Now divide this 11 hectometers, that means 110 decameters, into 10 equal parts, like this. So here 11 hectometers means 110 decameters. 110 decameters are divided into 10 equal parts, means each value is 11 decameters. Up to here this is 22, 33, 44, so on. Last one is 110. Now draw the vertical lines. So this is the Vernier scale. To show a value of 3.56 kilometers, observe the last division in the given value. This last division is with respect to decameters. So here on the decameter scale, last division is matching with this division here, that is 66. So subtract 0.66 from 3.56, then it is 2.90. That means 3.56 can be represented as 2.9 plus 0.66. This 2.9 value represent somewhere here, mark 2.9 somewhere here, and 0.66 here, 0.66 here. Then this total length will be 3.56. This is the Vernier scale.